How to use the accessory function using the Avid Armor A100 Gen 2 vacuum sealer. With the A100, it does have an accessory port over on the right hand side. That's going to allow you to vacuum seal external canisters, mason jars, anything that you want to be vacuumed externally. So in this demonstration, we are going to vacuum seal some sugar using the Avid Armor vacuum canister. We'll go ahead and use the hose that was included with the A100. All we have to do is place one end of the hose into the accessory port on the right hand side. It's easiest to kind of twist it in rather than trying to push. And then what we'll do is we'll place the other end of the hose in that vacuum canister. Now you'll make sure on the Avid Armor vacuum canisters that you rotate that dial to seal. That will make sure that it's vacuuming the air out and it doesn't allow the air to escape. That's what happens when it's in the open mode. All right, and then once you have that all set up, all we have to do is press the accessory function on the A100 and this will automatically go through the vacuum cycle since when it's completely vacuum sealed, and then the machine will stop once it's finished. All right, you'll hear that beep when it's finished, and now we can remove the hose from the canister. Remember, I like to twist instead of pulling, and now you can see that this canister is completely vacuum sealed, and then you can open it at any time and re-vacuum seal it as much as you want.